I want you to get together.
We have systematically had the supernatural worldview stripped away over time to our detriments. The thing is that I think people don't really understand spiritualism. They imagine like other dimensions where portals need to be opened to get through. And it's like the spiritual world is here right now with us. It is this world. This world is a spiritual creation. Everything is spiritual. We are spiritual beings. And the spirit world is happening all around us right now with this world simultaneously. The only thing that changes is our perception, our ability to perceive more of it in the finer, more complex geometric details of the code that manifests it and makes it happen. And I think people who have wider perceptions, and drugs do this, they basically brute force it open by widening up the pupils and letting in more light and more information. People who've done DMT will tell you it's right here, it's right now, it's all around us. It's not separate from our existence in any way. What we do in the physical realm is happening in the spiritual realm at the same time. It's all one thing happening. It's not like another dimension you can leave this body and go and explore over there or something. It's simultaneous. It is happening now with everything at once. And then outside of that, there is like a heaven situation. Lays above that, but we as humans do not get to leave where we are. It doesn't happen. You might be able to leave your body in sleep and explore the world some more, but from the more ethereal sense, the lighter density versions of it in spirit, but it's still the world. You don't get to tour the heavens or Sheol without the aids of God and his angels as tour guides. Enoch can attest to that. You don't just get to go there of your own volition. It doesn't work like that. And I think when we say out of this world, what we're really talking about is heaven. God's domain. The thing that makes all of this happen. The word itself. And I think it's something that we cannot comprehend from our position or understanding and our limited perceptions. It really isn't. And then you get a lot of people who slightly turn the dial up on their frequency because they take some hard psychedelics and they think suddenly they're so deep and profound and understand how the universe works. So, no. You just saw a little bit more of the creation you already exist in. You just saw just a little bit more. That's all it is. So yeah, that's my view on the spirit realm. I guess people have seen a grid-like pattern or something in the sky when they take certain things. Reminds me a lot of the whole prison planet theory I've heard about. No, look, I think it's God's creation that we live in, and we should be happy that we're embodied, because being embodied is the only way we can experience things like love, pleasure, happiness, joy, family, existence, experience, and senses in general. People call it a prison and a trap, but it's the spirits who don't have a body. They would tell you that we're in heaven, and they're trapped in hell. They hunger and they thirst, but they have no mouth. They have no body to satiate those desires or urges or sensations. The disembodied spirits, the Nephilim, what we call demons today, they are trapped in hell, and we with our bodies, they desire and envy that greatly. They're desperate to get back into a body. But then here they are teaching us doctrines that make us think, oh, my body's just a trap for my soul. Oh no, what a horrible flesh prison created by the evil demiurge who just wants me to suffer. It's kind of like, what a demonic, horrible belief system that truly is when you actually understand it. God created us a living soul, embodied. It's all one system. And we need it. We need that. We need the soul and the body and the Holy Spirit all working together in tandem for us to exist as God intended. Never get all Gnostic about it or Matrix about it. You are not trapped here. Okay? It's not a trap. It's a blessing. Gnosticism and materialism has corrupted our thoughts and understandings of our reality, causing a false idea of separation between physical and spiritual. Exactly, there is no separation. That's the lie.
I want you to get together.